things first, I'm the realest. Drop this and let the whole world feel it.
Hey boobas, what's up? It's your girl Kel Terrell. I know it's been a long time since you guys seen me and since I uploaded a video, but I am back at it again with the back at it again video of 2019 starting off this year. You guys, let me tell you how bad 2018 was for me. It was pretty bad, you guys know, because I recorded only one video of 2018. I know. But anyways, you guys, I'm going to be recording videos more often, and I just recorded a video. So if you guys check it out. Okay, you guys see this look that I got on my face right now, right about now. This is the look that I am going to be doing today. So you guys can like, subscribe, turn on your notification bells, make that bitch go ding. And you already know. Hi guys, so to create this look that I'm doing today, I'm going to be taking my Jaclyn MORPHE palette. I know it's kind of dirty because I used it a lot to create this eye look. But first, I'm going to prime my eyelids with my LA Pro Girl Concealer and the color Toffee. I'm going to take this beauty supply brush that I got from the beauty supply. I'm not sure what brand it is, but I'm going to take that to set my primer onto my lids. Then I'm going to be taking some tape to put on both ends of my eyelids to make sure my eyeshadow is very neat and clean. Now I'm going to go into the Jaclyn palette in the color Butter, and I'm going to take my favorite Wet n Wild blending brush. I'm just going to blend into the upward of my eyelids. Then I'm going to be taking that brown color and Jaclyn here, which is my favorite color, and I'm going to use my Morphe brush to blend that in. The Morphe brush isn't working, so I'm just going to go back with my my Wet n Wild brush. I'm just going to use that because it works so much better. Then I'm going to go into this Roxanne color in the Jaclyn palette, and I'm going to go with the Morphe brush because it's blend better with that one. And I'm going to take that, I'm going to just blend that all in. Then I'm going to actually go in with my LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fun. I'm going to take a Wet n Wild small crease brush, and I'm going to do a mid-cut crease. Then I'm going to go on this Wet n Wild brush, and I'm just going to use that to pack in and place down on my eyelids. And I'm going to go into this Jaclyn palette and put that gold color that's really pretty. I'm going to take that, and I'm going to place it on my eyelids. The inner to the middle of the eyelids. Then I'm going to go in with another Wet n Wild brush. I'm going to go in with that color, that brown color next to that gold color. And I'm going to use that, and I'm going to go from the middle to the end of my eyelids. Then I'm going to go back into the palette with the Morphe brush that I used the first time in the color Roxanne. I'm just going to take that and blend my ends out with it. Then I'm going to get my favorite Holy Grail eyeliner to line my eyelids. I love this so much. You guys don't understand. If you don't have this, you need to go get it. So I did my lashes off camera. I'm done with my eyes. So I'm going to go in with my Holy Grail. I love this foundation. Drugstore foundation, my Rimmel London. I'm going to just take that and place it all over my face. Now I'm going to get me a damp beauty blender by Tarte, and I'm just going to blend it all into my face. Make sure beauty blender is wet because it tends to blend better when it's more damp. Then I'm going to go in with my Age Rewind concealer in the color Tan by Maybeline. I love this concealer. Then I'm going to take the same beauty blender and I'm just going to blend all my concealer into my face. And yeah, just keep on blending. Then I'm going to get this Maybelline loose powder and I'm just going to set it everywhere I put my concealer at. While my powder is set, I'm just going to get a brown Wet n Wild pencil brush and I'm going to line my lips with those. And then I'm going to use my Makeup Academy lip gloss to just fill that in. Now that is blended, look at me. I'm doing my favorite dance because I'm so happy that this look is going out. Going to be so pretty. I'm just going to Millie rock. After I'm done with my shenanigans, I'm going to take my Fit Me powder and the color 355, I think 355, and I'm going to just take that and I'm just going to wipe away all of that excess dust on my face. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline contour brush and I'm just going to go into that Morphe palette, Morphe 9C palette. I'm going to go in the color Chocolate Diamond. I just use this as bronzer. It works so much better. Sorry, I'm going to contour my face with that. So, now that I'm done with that, I'm just going to take that brush that I used to set my powder with, and I'm going to blend it in. But since that brush is not giving me what I want, that thrill that I need, I'm just going to blend it in with that big brush. Then I'm going to go into this highlight that I love so much. I'm just going to be highlighting my face with that. Then what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to go in with that black Wet n Wild pencil. I'm just going to use it for my underlid and eyeline my eye with it. Then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn palette in the color Roxanne. I'm going to take my small Morphe brush and I'm just going to highlight the under eyes of my eyelids. I'm sorry, I'm going to be eyelining my tear duct. Then I'm going to go back in that palette again and get that gold color. Yep, the gold color. I'm just going to place that in the sit of my eyelids to make it pop. So, now that this look is finished and you guys seen the makes of it, tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to turn your notification bells on. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the BadMover, the BADMUVA mover. Until next time, bye movers. Stay blessed. Peace.